Just woke up, just got out of the shower. The national anthem just finished. Socceroos versus Honduras. First leg, away, in Honduras. We have to win. Well, we don't because there's a second leg, but I'm so pumped. It's your man Justin here. We're in the final minute of the Socceroos versus Honduras. Let's say goodbye to Mitch. See you, Mitch. Mitch just bought my old monitor because I upgraded to an ultra wide 29-inch LG monitor. See you, Mitch. That's Tom's car, not Mitchell's. And I'm about to go and buy a GoPro. I'm very excited. Going to the city, get a GoPro, get a haircut. I might take it to DREAMWORLD tonight, but obviously, yeah, they're doing a film review section. Obviously, it'll be dark. Hey everyone, how's it going? I'm on the way to get the GoPro, but first I have to catch the bus because I'm running late, so I literally have to catch it. Hopefully it doesn't rain as well. Another coincidence, look who it is!
I thought you'd finished tennis.
I gotta catch the bus.
Oh,
no,
well.
I'm getting a GoPro.
Alright, have fun.
See you, Sal! Sal on the way back from the gym. Coincidences galore, right? What's up, everyone? Just arrived in King George Square, Brisbane, centre of Brisbane. Fun fact, City Hall is shown in Inspector Gadget 2 or 3. 2, I think. Back actually, there's a demonstration. It's a Spanish demonstration here in Queen Street. Busy Saturday. What's up, guys? Bought the GoPro. Bought the GoPro and I got a haircut. How does it look? I found the cheapest place in central Brisbane. 15 bucks. Well, what do we have here? Is that a GoPro Hero 5? I've just had a shower to get rid of the hair from the haircut, and the GoPro is charging. I repeat, the GoPro is charging. On the way to DreamWorld. We're on the bus to DreamWorld. Say hello. We're at DreamWorld. Say hello, everyone. A lot of people won tickets. I'm not the only lucky one.
This evening, including rides.
Thanks, Tyler, Home Doctor.
Kicking off this evening's entertainment at 7:30 p.m.
Look, guys, it's the Claw. It's my favourite ride. Who wants to go surfing? Guys, we're going on the Hot Wheels ride. It's a long line. What do you think, Amber? Time for the Claw, everyone.
It's going down for real. It's going down for real.
On the train. Thanks, DreamWorld. Hey everyone, just getting back from DreamWorld. Awesome night. It's nearly midnight. I think Sal may have some friends over. If he does, we're going to surprise them. Not really, because opening the door, walking in, not really a surprise. Let's do it.
Hey Justin. Oh, he's got the
GoPro. Oh shit. That's scary. I thought you had like a freaking gun or something.
Oh, really? Yeah,
I've got 50 million followers already. I'm like PewDiePie.
Oh wow.
I'm the new PewDiePie.
That was DreamWorld.
Awesome.